The second pillar, AI-driven, and this is a fun topic, and I'm sure you guys are sick of AI already this week, even on the first day. There's a lot that we could get into here today, and there are some use cases in FinOps that the AI we have today may not be the perfect solution for, but what I am confident is that in 3 areas, it's providing real exciting value for folks. And those are guidance, efficiency, and governance. And so what I mean by guidance to start, what you see on the screen here is Kion's version of an in-app AI assistant. And what I want to draw your attention to is those are prompts on the screen. And why I think that's so critically important is that the cloud is complex, FinOps can be complex, and when you're starting out and you just don't know where to go, or maybe you're just a stakeholder and you're in procurement or you're in finance or accounting, and you need to find the data that you're looking for, AI provides you a more usable way to find that information. And then what's exciting is you click on one of these prompts and it starts to provide you additional questions that you should be asking yourself or highlighting things for next steps. And I think the usability piece of AI is going to go a long way in making FinOps a little bit more of a cultural activity at your organizations and not just something that 1 or 2 folks know what they're doing. The second piece, and this is probably the most obvious one, we've all experienced this probably personal and professionally. I use ChatGPT for cooking recipes and proofreading emails, and we've probably all had somewhat of an experience like that. But it's not just the getting the information a little bit quicker that I want to highlight here, it's also getting tasks done a little bit faster. A great example is we had an organization who, when they go to update their budgets on a monthly cycle, that process used to take them about 45 minutes to an hour. Now, using AI, that process takes them less than 5 minutes because they have it go out, scan where they have overruns, where they need to adjust their forecast, and in a single prompt actually has the tool go drive an update to that budget automatically instead of doing that over 50, 100 different projects and cost centers. And so there's a lot there. If you're interested in more use cases specifically on efficiency, love to talk after this. But the next one is governance, and this is where I'm most excited about. Because what I mean here is not governing your AI spend. That is a piece of FinOps, but that is not what this is. This is actually using AI to govern your cloud. And so what you see on the screen over here is I asked if it could create a EBS policy to help clean up my unattached volumes. And what you see happening is that in this particular use case, it's writing this policy in Cloud Custodian language, for those of you that are familiar with Cloud Custodian. And what it's done is, without any extra detail for me, it's looking at any unattached volumes for over 7 days. It's going to take a snapshot of those, and then it's going to delete those EBS volumes. And in one prompt, I now can use a tool to go orchestrate that policy and begin cleaning up EBS volumes. And that's just one example, but when you think about what I was talking about prior with automated governance, AI and automated governance almost play off each other. And there's a lot of power in this because non-technical users who know what they want to achieve but don't know how to write those policies or even where to begin can now start to lean in on AI to do that for them. If you saw the keynote this morning, AWS announced, I'm going to blank on the name here, but they announced an actual policy creator for their AI agents and trying to actually prevent and provide guardrails for that. And what they showed is the same concept of asking AI to make a prompt to govern your AI spend. And we've seen a lot of great success here, and I'm really excited for where kind of this part of AI and FinOps is going.